Fusion 360 is a cloud-based application, or certainly a cloud-based platform, should I say. So whilst we install locally and we work locally, we're working with the power of the cloud and the cloud computing behind it. That means that we have accessible some really powerful features within our standard subscription that is accessible, easy to access, modern, and at a fantastically good price point. For example, one of the more modern tools that we have that's been added fairly recently inside of Fusion 360 is automated modeling. What automated modeling allows us to do is specify faces that we would like to connect and bodies that we would like to avoid. And Fusion 360 will go away and generate an actual component based on those inputs. In this case, it's running a study in the background to give me different alternative shapes. And when I start seeing the ticks against those shapes, I can select those alternatives and have a look at them within my model to get an appreciation of what they might look like. I've just spun the model around at the back here to sort of see the connection between this part of the component and this part of the component to show you some of the different types of automated shape that it's coming up with. Once you've found one that you're happy with, and I'm going to choose this alternative 3, we have a slider which allows us to control the thickness of the component. We can have the component thinner or thicker, and that will really boil down to safety factors and things that you'll need to go ahead and determine in your manufacturing processes. Once you've chosen one that you're happy with, or should I say once you've chosen one that you're happy with, I can select that alternative and click OK. And Fusion will actually go away and generate that using T-splines in the background. So if I look at my parametric modeling tree, not only do I have the automated wheel assembly that I can go and double click on to edit at any point in time, I also have a T-spline model that's been generated for me based on my inputs. I can select that T-spline to go ahead and edit it should I want to make any subtle changes. You can see that it's already got my line of symmetry around the outside. So should I want to come in and start saying, well, let's go ahead and modify, let's go ahead and look at this from the front. We're going to grab a face selection. We're going to select all of these, and maybe we just have determined that this just needs to be a little bit longer. We can go ahead and pull that out and make the whole thing a little bit longer to suit our requirements. So based on those very small inputs, what do I want to connect and what do I want to avoid? Fusion generates a shape for me. It's telling me, go and have a look at this kind of design. And those shapes are sometimes things that as designers, we might not think about modeling in that unique and aesthetical way, let's say. Once we've got that, we can make further edits to it and further modifications very quickly and very easily using the T-spline tools that we looked at in the previous video. By being connected to the cloud and being cloud enabled, this platform really does enable you to do some powerful workflows, saving you time, saving you effort, and saving you money.